Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we are going to learn Indirekte Frage. What is Indirekte Frage? Question which are not directly asked, which are asked indirectly. Normally we ask directly like, wo wohnen Sie, wie heißen Sie, wohin gehen Sie, wohin fahren Sie, was lernen Sie. These are all direct questions. Or Ja-Nein-Frage, like, hast du ein Buch? Haben Sie ein Auto? Spielst du Cricket? Lernst du Deutsch? So there are two categories of question, Ja-Nein-Frage and W-Frage. So this is called W-Frage and this is called Ja-Nein-Frage. This is only one Ja-Nein-Frage. So these are direct questions. But when we ask indirectly, it is a polite way, höflich. It's a polite way of asking, like, can you please tell me where is the supermarket? I would like to know which language are you learning? Can you please tell me where is the bank? So this is polite form. That's why we use in German indirect Frage. Indirekte Frage. How do we make indirect Frage? That we learn today. It's a very interesting topic. You can watch all the videos given in the playlist A1, A2, B1 level. This topic is of A2 level, but you can also find in B1 level book. I have made so many videos. This topic I have already covered in one of my previous videos that you can watch in the playlist. So please, if you are new to the channel, go to the playlist and watch all the previous videos that are going to help you in a big way. So let's start with the indirect Frage. So as I said, I would like to know, ich möchte wissen. Ich möchte wissen, this is my first, I will use this phrase, ich möchte wissen, or weißt du, or können Sie mir sagen. Before I ask question, I will use these structure, Hauptsatz. Like, ich möchte wissen, I would like to know. Ich möchte wissen, wo Sie wohnen. Now, verb is last. Wo Sie wohnen. Verb place last. This is the root. With indirect Frage, verb position is last. Ich möchte wissen, wo Sie wohnen. Or, können Sie mir sagen, wohin Sie fahren. Fahren last. Or, ich möchte wissen, welche Sprache du lernst, to verb last. I left this third question because it's Ja-Nein-Frage. So with Ja-Nein-Frage, we use ob. Ich möchte wissen, ob. Ob means if or whether. I would like to know if you have a car. Ich möchte wissen, ob du Auto hast. So ob here and then verb last. And then full stop. We do not use question mark with indirect Frage. We use full stop, Punkt. So this is the indirect Frage that I wanted to tell you, I wanted to teach you. I hope you liked it and you understand this topic very well. In the comment box, you can write some more indirect Frage if you know. And it's a very good practice exercise. I have already made this, I have already covered this topic actually in one of my previous videos. So if you find it interesting and useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel so that more and more students can watch our video and this video can be spread it over. So this was the topic indirect Frage. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.